What's up, guys? This is my 2006 Evo 9 MR. This car is bone stock. Stock wheels, stock exhaust, stock intake. The car's never been modified, never been tuned. I bought this car from the original owner. She was, I think, almost 60 years old, so middle-aged, older lady that bought the car new. So it is a car. The Carfax match is one owner. This car's very clean. The roof is faded, the trunk is faded, so is the spoiler. But I mean, it's just cosmetics. Original California plates. What a gem. You do not see Evos like this. Evos have been modded. They've had 7 owners. They've been put back to stock, modded again. This car has never been tuned, never been touched. You know, headlights are original Stanleys. Original plates, like I said, which is cool. Just hard to find an Evo like this. Trust me, I know. I've owned a few of these cars over the past decade, and I know how hard it is to find one like this, especially in 2025. Clean title car, by the way. 117,000 miles, which is fairly low given how old it is. Like I said, the roof, you need to paint it, is gone. So is the trunk. You see the paint, it's thin right there as well. But the rest of it's okay. You could just blend it. You have a good guy, that good paint guy, can make this car look good for not a lot of money. You know, you want to leave it mostly original, obviously. You don't want to respray the whole car because it ruins the originality of it. So another big thing about this car is stock, obviously. It has the original Mitsubishi radio. Have you ever seen an Evo with the original stereo? I haven't. I was shocked. I saw that, I'm like, what the heck? You know, I've never seen that before because people always rip the stock stereos out. Something super cool about this car, it was bought locally at a Roseville Mitsubishi, and I have the original dealer window sticker. Look at that. You ever seen that either? Bought new Roseville Mitsubishi. So it's been here its whole life, no rust. Crazy. You know, you just don't find one like this, guys. A stock one owner Evo 9 in 2025 is, you have a better chance of hitting the lottery, for real. I mean, people say stock, but usually when you see a stock Evo 9, it's been put back to stock by the last 3.5 owners. But yeah, this car's just never been touched, man. If anyone's looking for this, Spencer's Hondas on Instagram. I still get a lot of messages. How do I get a hold of you? You know, my Instagram got taken down. My OG Spencer's Hondas with an S. So my new one is Spencer's Hondas with a Z. So Hondas, H-O-N-D-A-Z, all one word, Spencer's Hondas. But yeah, I know. So I posted my other 9. It was modified, and I sold that car immediately. It didn't even last, what, 30 minutes? So this one's stock, and it's in a little bit worse shape paint-wise, as you can see the roof, but it's still very clean. I have not washed the engine bay, just to show that it's, you know, pretty much got the original dirt. Yeah, some of you rag on me for it. I don't care. I think it looks cool that it is a little bit dirty. It shows it's not been tampered with or cleaned for the sale or anything. But anyway, here's the car. It drives perfectly. The timing belt's been done. The clutch has been done. I also have a log, and when I say a log, like an inch stack full of every service record. I have the service record for the very first oil change this car received with, I think, 3,000 miles on it, which is cool. You don't see Evos with that type of documentation. I don't have it with me, but I can add it to the for sale ad when I post it. So yeah, the headlights are super clean. Original California plates. This car is a gem. I know this is not going to last. I guarantee you this sells within a day. Anyway, bone stock, never touched. Here you go. If you want it, the price is going to be 25 grand. You know, that's fair. Look at the Evo market. I know what these cars go for, and finding one like this is very hard. Spencer's Hondas on Instagram with a Z. Thanks, guys.